History of Faisal Mosque. History of Faisal Mosque. Faisal Mosque is a modernist mosque located in Islamabad, the capital of Pakistan. It was named after King Faisal bin Abdul Aziz of Saudi Arabia, who provided financial support for its construction. The mosque was designed by the Turkish architect Vedat Dalokay and was completed in 1986. The idea for the mosque originated in the late 1960s, when Pakistan's then President, General Muhammad Zia-ul-Haq, decided to build a grand mosque in Islamabad. The mosque was intended to symbolize the country's growing Islamic identity and to provide a place for large congregations of Muslims to pray. The location chosen for the mosque was at the foot of the Margala Hills, with a view of the city and the surrounding countryside. The site was chosen both for its scenic beauty and for its proximity to the city center. Construction of the mosque began in 1976 and was completed in 1986. The mosque's design is a blend of traditional Islamic and modernist architecture, with a large central prayer hall and 4 minarets. The main prayer hall can accommodate up to 100,000 worshippers, while the adjoining courtyard can hold up to 200,000. The mosque's interior is decorated with intricate marble work and calligraphy, while the exterior is clad in pink sandstone from the nearby hills. The mosque's main prayer hall features a chandelier made of Swarovski crystals, which is one of the largest in the world. Today, Faisal Mosque is one of the most iconic landmarks of Islamabad and a major tourist attraction. It is also a symbol of Pakistan's Islamic heritage and its close ties with Saudi Arabia.